Okay, let's start our using tips in using simulator. So this is our simulator platform. So you can check the above the platform. So this is Notice Home BStep. So in using simulator, the effective way is not to use or using the orbit view. But anyway, some are using as far as other using the gamer's control. So that's considering. So before you start the simulator, you have to consider your planning. So first this the planning stage. Okay. So remember that in bridge management, you are standing not like the gamer console that the operator is only sitting down. This is not the uh, pilot cabin in the airplane. This is a ship. So some bridge team management is standing like this one. The steering man standing also, and some lookout, another crew, whether the second mate operate the radar or operation of the ICDIS. So in here, you can see some uh, view in the YouTube channel, some of it using the bridge and the use of ICDIS. So don't rely on this one ICDIS. You have to proceed with your planning. So first, plan first where you will go. So in this one, the gamer didn't know. He has only standing. But here, you have supposed to be know where you go. So in bridge thing, you use your uh, ICDIS. So in the ICDIS of simulator is not so detailed or only few are being uh, give or label there in the simulator. So you have to use your other apps. In this one, we are in the OpenCPN. Some scenario will have their Dover to Port Calais. Remember that this one in the English channel, there is a voyage plan or traffic separation scheme. You see that the southbound, when you depart Dover Strait to Calais, so where you will encounter some ships here because these ships, this area here is very busy. So when you also departing from Calais, so you will expect also northbound from here. So anyway, for some only users, not navigator, it's called considerable. And then when you use, some of them did not take note the UKC, your under kill clearance. Okay, so when you encounter 5 meters below, 10 meters below, depending on your ship's type, okay, so you will notice that you are already in the deep sea or in the shallow. So this uh, chart here or ICDIS is not really detailed. So you use another app. So you can also use the OpenCPN also in the internet. Even though you are not yet stealing from English channel, but you can see here that the traffic separation, you can encounter a lot of ships, especially this area. So in the simulator, there's also a Dover uh, transiting Dover to Calais or Calais to Dover. And then next is the use of radar. So some gamers, they're not, when they are departing, they're not noticing the radar. So there's also application in the uh, here in Play Store. When you use radar, you can also click this one as also radar and ARPA. Okay, there's already target because you notice that that's the more dangerous target are always in your starboard bow rather than head-on situation, because in head-on situation, you can alter right away, then you are keep clear. Unlike in the starboard beam, when crossing situation occur or collision exists, it's very dangerous. So also the using of binocular in this scenario. So in let's see, in this one, you cannot really see it fully when you are in the simulator, but on board, you will not see this one. This is only an overview. See, he was looking for the orbit view. Supposed to be, we are not using that one because we are in the bridge, but for demonstration purposes, then it's quite also very well explained. But if you are navigator, you will be also in the bridge, so you will uh, view this one. So you will see the parameters, XDs, and your radar. But anyway, this is considerable because some using in the simulator are not really experienced on board. So that is the tips. I hope you have any questions or any clarifications in my demonstration. You can feel free to ask. Again, first using the simulator is planning. Okay, plan your voyage or voyage planning, or uh, make your waypoint where in your ICDIS or a lot of uh, application now. You can make your own route like this one. Okay, if you encounter, you can slightly here, and then you can cross 90 degrees. Okay, so that is only an example, because when you are using your ICDIS, this is the anti-grounding. So you need your UKC or your sounding. And also you are also use the radar. Radar is the anti-collision. Okay, anti-collision, uh, anti-collision navigation or aid, navigational aid. Okay, and then the use of orbit is not really appreciated, but since the simulator have its own features, then that's okay. But of course, you understand the UKC under clearance, the wind, the rolling, your RPM, your speed over ground. So that is only my opinion in using simulator. Thank you.